Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin an email in Outlook. So, there is no such option in the Outlook like pinning an email, like you know that the one that comes from factory. But so what you wanna do and what you can do is, let's go to the inbox. What you can do is just flag some emails, for example. You can flag them. I don't know why you can flag them right here. So let's just flag some emails. And now if you go to this view section right here, we can select the sorting. So we can select flag status, and we are going to have this flagged items in the top section right here. But flagging is not so convenient for me. I would choose the another option that I will show you right now. So focused, other, and no by flag, arrange by date. Okay, so now it is how I want them to be right now. What you wanna do, for example, I wanna pin this email, so, or maybe this one. Okay, then right click on the email, then categorize, and all categories. As you can see, I have this category called pinned, so maybe I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and for example, you want to choose the red color to be the pinned category. So now what you want to do, rename it. Then let's say we want to this category name pinned, so let's do it, and then select it to the pinned category. Now, as you can see, there is a red flag in this mailbox, in this mail, sorry. And now what you want to do is to select the filter arrange by categories and go up with the arrow up. And now, as you can see, you are going to have this email in the top of your inbox, and the rest is going to be filtered and sorted by the date. So maybe let's say that I want to categorize this with pinned again, and now as you can see I have 2 emails pinned on the top of my inbox. So this is it. These are 2 options that you can pin an email in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!